Okay, this is the last running of the trains for 2012. It's December 27th. So, Mom wants to take down all the Christmas decorations. That's Scrooge. And part of that is putting up the trains. But even after almost 70 years, they still work. They don't make them like they used to. This one is Paulette's train she got when she was a little girl. This one, the one in the middle on the figure 8, was Papa Don's train when he was a little boy. I think it's a little bit older. I think it might be around 1940. And the one on the outside is maybe around 1945. Have to ask Paulette and Don about that. Paulette's is a Lionel, and Papa Don's is something else. Streamline. Had to look at the box. All right, well, that's it for the trains in 2012.